Hello friends, now moving ahead we are taking this printed nice craft paper and this is how we are trying to fold it out from both the sides, and this is how after folding further it will give this nice shape here, and this is how we can spread it and make a nice shape here. This is how we can fold it out further from both the sides, and further we can touch from the lowermost part to the upper part in such a way so that it will create this kind of pattern look here, and this is how we are giving a nice shape out of this paper, and this is how we can fold it further and make a nice butterfly look here. And it's really very easy to make and no need to give any further decorations as it's already a printed paper. So this is how another foldings we are trying to make, so that after folding it out further it will create this kind of look here. So when we'll try to look from this side, it will see something like this, and this is how wings are ready of our butterfly. We are trying to give it proper shape. Next one, it's another colored paper strips we have taken, and this is how we are putting it one by one so that two colors can be visible here, and this is how we are trying to fold it out, make this folding further so that we can make something like this. And here we are trying to fold all the colorings and paste further colorings here and make a nice jumpy game. This is how we can create several patterns out of this two colored paper. Next, it's a red paper. This is how we are trying to fold it out so that after folding it further and cutting out this pattern here, this is how we are making a nice flower look here, and this is how we can cut it out the pieces and we can paste it one by one. See how we'll take the first part like this, and this is how we are trying to cut out this look and put it inside the cystine, and similarly all the cutout pieces can be put here, and this is how our flower is ready. And using a green color paper we are trying to give this nice leaf look, and this is our complete flower, and this way another color's flower can also be made. And another craft paper we have taken and we are trying to put it like this one by one. Two colors is there, so we are trying to paste it in such a way so that after pasting it like this is how we are trying to paste it and cut it out further and make nice fish.